I trained people on, Porsche and Mercedes-Benz products that had, highly capable semi-autonomous features 10 years ago. They had the same lane keep assist and blind spot detection and automatic collision, automatic braking. Those things existed in like 2016 and they were pretty decent. They weren't great. They're much better now. So I think a lot of us and a lot of people in the marine industry are being brought in from automotive to kind of bring that knowledge base and apply it. But I think that the application on the water itself is so fundamentally different. You have to come at it from a different headspace to solve it because the automotive industry benefits from scale. When Tesla decides they want to make their cars autonomous, they have hundreds of thousands of, they have this big, everybody needs a car, right? Almost like most of the developed world needs a car. So there's a huge target market for cars to be sold to. And boats have just there's many less boats are sold in a year. And also it's not like there's 10 or 15 boat builders that sell boats like there are automotive manufacturers. There's really like 15 automotive manufacturers pretty much that build cars at scale. There's some bespoke, small quantity stuff. But when you look at boats, there's like 40,000 boat builders in the world.
Yeah.
So it just is and those people, some boat builders build a boat a year. Some boat builders build 100 boats a year. But there's not any volume near the scale that we see in the automotive industry. So that's one of the big drivers where it's a different market opportunity. It's not on the boat builder to develop autonomy. It's on a vendor like us. It's on a third-party supplier. That's how the marine industry functions more so than automotive. And so we saw that opportunity of like, hey, this is Proteus Core is an opportunity to get in on the ground floor for autonomous boating technologies. And then we also saw that not only do people need a solution for radar, but the cameras that are mounted on many, many boats and on almost all of the unmanned boats are these usually a FLIR or similar brand camera that's a point tilt zoom camera, so it moves and articulates. That camera needs to be used to autonomously detect objects and feed that into a decision-making software engine. And that capability doesn't exist. So that's what Apollo Core solves.
Yeah.